Hello everyone, I'm Anuradha and today I'm here to share about a Ho'oponopono meditation for better alignment and cleaning of the chakras. Chakras, as we understand, are the energy center within our body, which are all regulating the energy body of our system. So the better aligned and clean our chakras are, the better we are able to perceive the things in our surrounding and our environment and things about ourselves. Because everything is projected from inside out. Before we start the meditation, get yourself comfortable in the space which you are using for your meditation. You're lying down or sitting comfortably. Relax your body. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Feel the center of your body and the space inside. We will now start with the cleaning and aligning process of root chakra. Root chakra has red light, a red color. During the meditation, you can imagine red light emanating from the root of your spine. I take full responsibility of my root chakra's energies. I feel grounded, supported. I'm comfortable in my body. I'm comfortable with the materials in and around me. I accept my existence. I value my existence. I take power from Mother Earth. And feel the red light shining from the base of the spine to the entire body. I am sorry. I am sorry, dear root chakra. Please forgive me. I take full responsibility of it from now onwards. I love you. And I thank you for all the growth and prosperity. Moving ahead to the next center, which is the sacral chakra. You can identify the position just below the navel, 5 fingers below the navel. It has orange light or color. We will start with the affirmation here. I honor my emotions now. I am healing myself. I heal all the baggages of hurtful emotions in my sacral chakra and womb area. I am in flow. I respect water. I accept all the fluid in my body. I take power from moon. I'm sorry, dear sacral chakra, for all the pain, hurtful emotion, toxic relationship, codependency. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you for clearing it out. I now take full responsibility of my solar plexus energies. It is 4 fingers above the navel point. It emits yellow light. So while narrating the affirmation, you can imagine yellow light spreading out from the center. I'm confident. My power is shining like sun. I have dropped all my fears and insecurities. I take power from the sun. I'm sorry for all the doubts and not taking action. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. Imagine the yellow light fully crossing all over your body. Breathe in and out. I now take full responsibility of my heart chakra. It is the heart center. It has green color. So we will imagine green color emitting out from the center throughout the body and outside the body. We will now narrate the affirmation. I am open to give and receive love. I make healthy relationships. My relationship with people are always nurturing. I take power from the wind. I'm sorry, dear heart, for all the blockages and not being able to share my true potential outside. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you for all the love and kindness. Moving ahead, I now take full responsibility of my throat chakra. Throat chakra is the region in the throat area controlling thyroid gland and other important glands in the region. It has blue light. We will now recite the affirmation. I'm open to all the healthy communications. I'm open to the truth and its expressions. I'm creative. I take power from my space. I'm sorry, dear throat chakra, for any time I have suppressed your energies. I have not expressed my truth in my communication. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you for all the powerful expressions. I take full responsibility of the third eye chakra. The third eye is indigo in color. So we will now imagine indigo color in and out of the center. I have clear perception. I see and feel things clearly. I see through the divine light for everything in my surroundings. I'm sorry, dear third eye chakra, for the lack of clear perception. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you for the clarity. I take full responsibility of my crown chakra. Crown chakra is the center of the crown area, the top of the head. It emits white light. So we will now imagine white light emitting from the center. I have full connection with the divine in and around. Divine is the only reality. I'm sorry to cut the cord with the divine. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you for the beautiful connection. Feel yourself soaked in the divine white light. Feel the connection with your body. Now slowly feel comfortable with your surrounding things and area. You can practice this meditation anytime again as a part of your morning ritual or evening bedtime ritual. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful life.